So Saramonic have done it. The best dual wireless microphone system with 32-bit float recording, timecode, and even much more, including one of the best accessory attachments for Sony cameras, phones, tablets. And I'm actually using the wireless system right now on the beach, and it's very windy, but it sounds amazing. But let's go inside, I'll tell you more, and we'll come back out later and do some more tests. Here we go.
Mr. Black.
And welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like gadgets and gear like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. And I'm still using the Saramonic mics, and I will be throughout this whole video so you can hear exactly what they're going to sound like in different environments. Now, Saramonic did send these to me, and they're sponsoring this video so that I could play with them, test out the features, and share my results with you guys. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can see the most current and up-to-date price. And in the box, you get a carry bag with a bunch of different accessories like wind muffs. It also comes with an antenna to extend the range. You get 2 lavaliers. They can plug right into the transmitters themselves. And this is what that sounds like with the lavalier. Obviously, I could tuck in the wires, but I'm just kind of showing you for demonstrational purposes. Do you like it better with the lav or without the lav? With the lav or without the lav? Oh, well, I guess I got to keep talking. I will keep talking. You also get a USB-C data or charging cable, and you also get this TRS cable that can go to your camera. But then you get the microphones themselves in this nice little charging box. And so you get 2 of those microphones. They also have clips to attach on your clothing or magnets to attach through your clothing. And you get the receiver that you're gonna use to plug into your different devices. But also you have these little attachments that can clip on and go to USB-C or to Lightning. And I actually think that that's one of the best systems I've seen where you twist it on to lock it in place versus some of the other ones out there where it's not as secure, so you can even push it too far and disconnect it on accident, and then you didn't get any audio captured. And I love this charging case. It looks really nice and has a good hard shell to it. It also provides up to 18 hours of use, automatically powering the system on and off when you take the mics out or put them back in. And on the mics themselves, they are quality made. You have a built-in Omni microphone on the top with 130 decibel SPL, and it sounds like this. It also has a 30-step level input adjustment, but you can always just put it on auto gain, which will ensure consistent audio. All right, so we have the dual wireless mics out. My dad is visiting from the States. How do you like Australia, Dad?
Hey, I love it.
These are great sounding microphones. We've been playing back what we've been recording, and we're just like...
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy good.
It's crazy
hard
good.
to believe. With the wind and everything.
So we have the receiver plugged in with USB-C onto the Pocket 3. Great way to vlog, especially, if you're not sure about how your mics are gonna sound in the wind. And even if you walked over that way and we're still talking
so we good?
Doing whatever.
Yeah, we can still talk.
Yeah,
you can hear me.
Thanks, Dad, for helping out.
Hey, good to be here.
Words.
Words.
The microphones have built-in 8 gigabytes of onboard storage with 32-bit float recording, which provides the perfect fail-safe in case there is any kind of interference happening, because that 32-bit float captures that bigger range of frequency. Maybe you're a sports presenter and they score a goal and you scream out loud. You can access those recordings and it won't be clipped out because of that 32-bit float. They have a built-in time code to make it easier for syncing and post-production, and you can plug them in via USB-C to your computer to access those files. There's also buttons on here where you can start and stop your recording, and you can even mute the microphones. You can turn on noise canceling. So if I had a fan or an air conditioner or I was right next to a really noisy road, I can turn that noise cancellation on. It would just focus on my voice, and it sounds brilliant. And looking at the receiver, it has that exclusive external antenna. So if you were in a crowded environment with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals everywhere, that could be something that could interfere with it. You can attach this little antenna, and that will solve the problem. And also gives you 128-bit encryption to keep your signal clear, safe, and secure. And that can get you a range of 984 feet or 300 meters. I mean, this is very far away, but you can access those onboard recordings, and it doesn't matter how far away you are. But listen to this. This is really windy out here, like really windy. You can see from my shirt, and it does a great job cutting down that wind noise. It features an AMOLED touchscreen, which is buttery smooth to use. It's very simple, but there's also a control dial on there for easy adjustments of the transmitter, mic gain, noise cancellation, and onboard recording modes. You can also set it to mono, stereo. There's also a safety channel, or you can use vocal boost to enhance voice clarity, which is like noise cancellation, except for it finds the voice and it elevates that higher. It features a 3.5mm output for cameras, and you can use the USB-C or Lightning adapter to connect to your iPhones, Android devices, tablets, and even your computer. But even when it's plugged into your smartphone, it actually supports playback without having to disconnect it. Like other microphones, if you play something, you have to unplug it to listen back. You can keep this one plugged in, and trust me, that can be very annoying. Or you can get this Sony attachment, which I love. I'm using this right now for my camera. I just pop this thing on that hot shoe, and then I can pop that hot shoe adapter on my camera, and it's connected immediately. That just eliminates another thing that could accidentally be unplugged or just not plugged in all the way, and then I lose all the audio. There's even a preset on there that you could set it to for Sony as well. And I love on the receiver how you can easily swipe down on each side, depending on which microphone you want to go into. If someone's talking a little bit quieter, you can go through and adjust the gain right there, and you can mute it. You can also enable onboard recording right from there as well. So if your subject forgets to hit the record button there and you're behind the camera, you can see a little red dot if it's recording. If you don't see that and you want to record, you can just swipe down and hit the record button. Just that easy. So yeah, that's the Saramonic Ultras. It's just a really good system with a lot of great accessories. If you want to see some of those other Saramonic microphone videos I've done, I'll put them on the screen right up here. And if you want to see one that YouTube thinks you'll like best, you can click that one right there. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. A lot more cool gear to share with you on this channel all the time. So,
Words! I got them.